In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make picture darker in Affinity Photo. We'll keep it simple, clean, and fully non-destructive, so you can fine-tune at any time without harming your original image. Start by opening Affinity Photo, then open the image you want to darken. Working on adjustments rather than the base layer is key here. From the pixel menu at the top, hover over New Adjustment Layer and choose Brightness, Contrast. This creates a separate adjustment layer above your image. In the Brightness, Contrast panel, gently lower the brightness slider to deepen the overall tone. Small moves go a long way. Watch the preview as you drag. If the image starts to look flat or muddy, nudge the contrast slider. Increasing contrast can bring back separation between shadows and highlights. Decreasing it can soften harshness if your darkening feels too punchy. A good practice is to toggle the adjustment layer's visibility to compare before and after as you dial in a balanced look. Once you're close, add a curves adjustment for precise control. Again, from the pixel menu, hover over New Adjustment Layer and click Curves. You'll see a diagonal line representing tonal values from shadows on the left to highlights on the right. Click near the middle of the line and drag slightly downward to darken the midtones. This gives you a richer, more controlled darkness than brightness alone. If the highlights start losing detail, place a second point toward the upper right and keep it near the line to protect bright areas. Subtlety is your friend here, small drags, frequent previews, and incremental refinements. Feel free to revisit both adjustments together. Toggle them on and off to check your progress, and tweak brightness, contrast, or the curves points until the image feels naturally darker without crushing detail. Because these are adjustment layers, you can reorder them, rename them for clarity, or fine-tune later as your project evolves. And that's it. Using brightness, contrast, and curves through the pixel menu, you've darkened your photo cleanly and non-destructively, with full control over tone and contrast.